Welcome back, ladies. It's Wednesday and we're here to talk about wardrobing. My name is Lisa Payment and I'm joined with my colleague Paula, who works with me online, and Linda, hi Linda, is behind the camera today. And we're talking about the new Sympli Basics program, the in-stock program. Everything we're going to show you today, modeled by Paula, is actually available on our 2-week delivery. So if you haven't checked out our store online, I would check it out. It's pretty special. So let's get started. We wanted to start by showing you a basic body shape. A body shape meaning 2 pieces of clothing that you can build on, because in your comments we've heard you really like to see it styled up, kind of built up and up and down. So we're going to do that today with Paula. So we're starting off with one of our favorite pieces, the Go-To Classic Tee. Paula's wearing it in wine. This is a new color. I'm wearing it in the sapphire. And these are, we're so excited because they're available on a 2-week delivery, which is kind of rare for color. Amazing. Right? So she's looking amazing in this color. Now the Go-To Tee, again, you ladies know it very well. It's the perfect base to build some fantastic looks on. What's really exciting is you go a little lower, there's this beautiful legging. This is the Frame Legging by Sympli, and it's actually a combination of pleather and knit. So how does it feel?
It's actually amazing. I own a pair of leather leggings and they're stiff and I don't feel very comfortable. These are just like amazing.
So we really love them. They are $140 and we are predicting they're going to be pretty popular. So let's show you how to build some looks based on these 2 basic pieces. So we're going to show you what it looks like. You may be a girl that wants to show your curves and your body, and that's okay because there's no judgment here. But here's what to do if you just want to add a 3rd piece to feel a little bit more comfortable. You can use scarves, and we've chosen this scarf. It's a chiffon and felt scarf. So this is only going to appeal to the girl that's kind of artsy, kind of fun, and they're $54. So we thought we'd show you a way just to feel like a little bit more secure when you want to wear something body conscious. Now we know Paula's not a scarf girl, even though she looks amazing in this. So we're going to now go to a tunic as our 2nd piece. So I'll take that. So we're back and Paula has on a fantastic tunic, which is 2-week delivery. We're so excited and it's online. Yes. So it is the Sympli-Zest tunic. There's so much to talk about here. What do we love about this? We love that it has beautiful pockets. Everyone loves pockets for their cell phone. It's cut really, really well. It goes, there's a round cut out here on the bodice, which just allows it to sit flat on the tummy, but then it goes out to these beautiful soft lines, asymmetrical, which we all love. And we put it over these 2 basics because we have a young, funky girl. This is a funky girl's outfit, which we think looks amazing on her. This is a zipper button detail, which kind of, you know what, you don't even need a necklace because you already have it built in. And if Paula just does a spin around, you'll see that these gorgeous slits on the side of this tunic. So, you know, she's feeling fantastic in this. This is for the girl who really wants that 3rd piece. And this tunic is convertible in many, many different ways. So how does it feel?
Great. I'm a layer girl. I feel safe with layers. I like it. And this is kind of like a very fancy way of wearing my shawl.
That's right. But you know what we love about it? It's curving it's coming into the body, which really shows how petite Paula is. And that's what we want. She's a small stature. This is a big look and she can pull it off. But this looks really good on a tall girl too. Absolutely. So we just love it as one of our favorites. So before we go to our next look, to try to show you how to make this a little bit more casual house party, I have to correct myself because I said this is a young girl's look, and Linda from behind the camera said, I'm an old girl and I love this look. So let me correct myself and say it's a funky girl look, and I totally agree, Linda. I would wear it as well. So now we're going to go to how do we take this to a more softer look with some new exciting knits that have just come in. Okay, so we're back and we're doing casual. So is this Mom Around Town?
Absolutely. Oh God.
This is funky Mom Around Town. Now this is the softest knit poncho sweater by Sharonelle. We're loving this color. It's fabulous. we love it because it's so soft, so comfortable, easy to wear, right?
Absolutely. It's like you just slip over your basic, you're good to go and run your mommy errands or any errands.
It looks so soft. Now, this is $85 and we love it, but it gets better. It comes with a detachable cowl neck.
Yes.
So 2 looks, 1 sweater, fantastic value. We're gonna get Paula just to try to
I love it.
put it on.
I'm a cowl neck girl.
So this again is just a little bit of detail that just makes this piece that much more appealing.
Yes.
So this collar, depending on your body shape, you can put wider or you can wear it down if you want to elongate the body. Really softens the shoulder, right? It just, you tuck in the sweater, it's easy to wear, and we think these are going to be huge. And there's various colors available online as well. So our last look's going to be making that Zest vest evening ready.
Sexy.
So we'll be right back. So while Paula's changing into an evening look with the Zest Smock, I wanted to talk about what I had on. This is also 2-week delivery, and we'll get more into detail about these pieces in weeks to come, but I couldn't wait to show you. So the top I have on is actually a new piece on 2-week delivery. It's multi-tiered shirt. It's quite fitted. The sleeve is quite long. I just have it pulled up, and this is called the Charm Shirt. Now I'm just going to quickly button it up. I'm using it as a jacket today over my go-to tee in sapphire, but when you do this top up, it's just so pretty. I wanted to show the lines of this. So very, very flattering. You can also wear this with the legging that Paula showed you because it is long enough. So we thought that was just really exciting. Now, the pant is called the Charm Pant, and that is new to us with a little button detail on the ankle, which we just love. There's a whole collection of tops with these fantastic metal buttons in our Sympli in stock program. Now this pant is just a narrow pant. It's on the shorter side, but it just is easy to wear, right? When you don't know what to put on, this is going to be a big seller because it is so comfortable. You can wear it a size up or a size down, depending on the look you want. And we think it just pairs really fantastically with this shirt. So I'm excited to see Paula's evening look. We'll be right back. If you think it's hot outside, it is really hot in here. Look at this look. This is the Lace Shorty top by Sympli. Now I want to tell you about this top. It cuts up like this, and usually you wear this over a dress, so it pairs beautifully with a tank as well. But we've put it under, so you're going to get tons of mileage out of this piece. Look at the soft lace. It is so gorgeous. Now I wanted Paula to talk about how it feels on her body.
Absolutely. So I have a very broad shoulder. I don't like my arms very much, and so I really feel very comfortable with this top underneath because I feel like the lace still gives a little bit of, you know, sexy detail, but it kind of refines my thick shoulders. And again, I love the cowl neck. I feel like it just gives me that neck that I wish I had. And of course this, it's beautiful, it's elegant, but it's also very comfortable. And again, having that love of layers, it just feels like my safety net, but looking very good too.
It is such a great look. And what's fantastic about all of these pieces is you can pull them apart and put them back in different variations and just have fun with your wardrobe. We hope this Wednesday's been pretty special. I feel it's been pretty special having Paula and Linda behind the camera helping us film this. And next week, please join us. We're going to show you tons new fantastic pieces by our Sympli collection. Have a great day. Thanks, girls. So this piece acts as that third piece.
The struggle is real.
The struggle is part of our long
Lace, I don't know.
shorty top.